I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photoshop 7, 0 and loading the image you will edit. Once open, duplicate the background layer to preserve the original. This protects you from irreversible changes. Make sure the image mode is RGB and confirm resolution, 72 dpi for web, 300 dpi for print, because this affects sharpness and color. Now zoom in to check problem areas and set the eyedropper to sample from current layer. You are ready to perform targeted adjustments without delay. You now correct exposure and color. Open levels to set black and white points, then smooth midtones. Once done, use curves for finer tonal shaping. Drag slightly to avoid posterization, because subtle moves preserve detail. For color, add a hue/saturation adjustment layer and mask it to affect only the target area. This keeps skin tones natural while fixing backgrounds. Make sure to toggle preview on and off as you work, and zoom out occasionally to confirm the overall balance remains harmonious. You finish by retouching blemishes and distractions. Create a new layer and use the healing brush or clone stamp with low opacity for natural blending. Once done, apply a subtle unsharp mask. Keep radius small and amount modest, because over-sharpening creates artifacts. Make sure to save a layered PSD to preserve edits, then export a flattened JPEG for sharing. If something goes wrong, revert to your duplicated original layer or use File Revert. This recovers the untouched starting point quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.